Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel, we're always focused on helping the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to make profit using our smartphones and PCs. As an avid Swagbucks user, I've discovered numerous ways to make money on the platform just beyond taking surveys. In this video, I will share with you the Swagbucks secrets to allow you all to earn big rewards from the platform. From playing games to watching videos online, there's so many opportunities to earn on Swagbucks and redeem those Swagbucks for gift cards, cash, and many other rewards.
Doing the right thing is always hard, but that's what makes the reward so great in the end.
Since I initially signed up for Swagbucks, I've earned around 210 SB as of May 2023, and I average around 500 to 1,000 Swagbucks every single day. And this is following stuff on my channel, such as the Ultimate Swagbucks Guide, as well as the tips shown in this video, the secrets to unlocking everything to do with Swagbucks. So if you weren't aware, Swagbucks is actually a reward-based platform that pays users for completing certain tasks on their website. This includes things like surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. So users normally earn Swagbucks by doing these tasks, and then those Swagbucks can actually be redeemed for popular gift cards such as Amazon, Walmart, and Target, and even PayPal Cash, which is fantastic. As of 2023, they've actually paid out 400 million in rewards since their conception in 2008. If you haven't already signed up for Swagbucks, I've left a link in the description, and that'll actually take you to sign up to the platform. That's my exclusive referral link where you can gain 300 SB when you've actually earned 300 SB on the platform. It's a great little sign-up bonus to get you started and on your way to earning that first voucher on the platform. I hope it helps. So you may be wondering, what actually is the Swagbucks secret? Well, as the title suggests, Swagbucks Secrets refers to various ways in which users can earn rewards on the platform. In this video, there's only 25 ways for you guys to earn, and these are tools which a lot of people aren't fully aware of, but utilizing these tasks in this video, users can actually maximize their earnings and redeem more rewards more quickly.
Number 1, surveys.
Swagbucks actually partners with various market research companies to offer surveys on a variety of topics, including consumer products, entertainment, and politics. To maximize your time from surveys, I always suggest you complete the actual profile questions just to make sure that you actually do get surveys which are catered towards you, as well as you do get a 2 SB bonus for every 10 you do complete. The surveys on Swagbucks can range from 5 SB to a whopping 10,000 SB, depending on the actual context and what's required on each survey. One of my rules is only ever do surveys though which are above 5 SB per minute. You can set this in the preferences tab so that it actually always shows up, just so you don't have to do the calculation, and that way you know at quick glance if you're going to get the best amount of money for your time. And obviously it is down to what you want to do.
Sometimes it leads to very little, and it seems like it's not worth it.
Number 2, Swagbucks searches.
Swagbucks searches is another great way for you to earn. You can earn Swagbucks by using the Swagbucks search engine instead of your regular traditional search engine built into your browser. The Swagbucks search engine is powered by Yahoo, so you do get the same results, but you do actually get rewarded between 1 and 28 Swagbucks for completing a search win, which is fantastic. So you can do this up to 3 times a day, twice on one browser and 1 on another. So I normally do 2 on Chrome, 1 on my mobile, and that's how I normally do it. The first search win always credits after 4 searches, so there you go.
Number 3, Swag button.
One of the easiest dollars you'll ever make on Swagbucks is by downloading their extension, the Swag button. Literally all you need to do is just download the extension to your browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Brave, anything supported on the Chromium architecture, you can get this installed, and literally you just add it up, you're done, and that'll be the easiest dollar you've ever made. I've actually left a link straight to the actual Swag button, so you can actually just get that straight installed. There's no messing around, because I do find it can be a bit difficult to find this Swag button at times.
Number 4, Swag codes.
So next up is Swag codes. So once you actually got the Swag button installed, you can now actually start to use the Swag button to find these Swag codes. So Swag codes are normally short codes that are released by Swagbucks, whether that be on their website, social media, and email newsletters. And users can actually put in this certain code into the Swag button and get up to 10 Swagbucks per code, and these are released daily. Every day at around 4 PM, you'll get a notification on the Swag button, and this will state that a new Swag code is live. Simply click the Swag button extension, it'll navigate you to the certain page where these Swag codes are listed. Copy and paste that into the box on the extension, and there you go, you'll earn Swagbucks between 2 and 100 depending on what promotion is on. And even better, if you are away from your PC, you can actually go on Twitter and follow an account called SB Codes, turn on notifications, and you'll get a notification every single day once these Swag codes go live, so you'll never miss it even when you're not at your PC.
Number 5, daily poll.
You can earn Swagbucks by literally just partaking in a daily poll on Swagbucks. These are simple, it's normally a 1 question survey, and literally you just go in, click one thing, and there you go, you'll get 1 SB per poll every single day.
Number 6 games.
You can actually make money playing video games on Swagbucks as well, mainly through their game Alu's Revenge. So this is a totally free game offering you the chance to earn some easy SB. So you can earn around 6 SB per day by playing this game 6 times. Just make sure you always get at least 3,000 points, then you pause the game, exit, and then wait 30 seconds and then replay that and do that 6 times, and you should end up with around 6 SB every single day.
Number 7 receipt scanning.
Whenever you actually go shopping for groceries in the UK, always make sure you get a receipt and save it, because on the Swagbucks Answer application you can actually scan these receipts and earn 2 SB for every single receipt you submit through the Swagbucks Answer application. It's an easy 2 SB, and if you're doing shopping, why not at least get some cash back for that? 2 SB, it might not seem like much, but it does actually add up, especially if you are shopping for a full family or you have got multiple receipts. You can quickly get 2 SB per receipt, as well as that does link up with other receipt scanning apps out there.
Number 8 magic receipts.
On Swagbucks, there is a coupon rebate system known as Magic Receipts. You can log on to Magic Receipts before you go to the supermarket and see what's available, and if there's anything for you, add it to the Magic Receipts checklist. And then once you do find the item in the supermarket, you'll get a percentage of the cost back in cash back.
Do I get a discount for that?
It's just a good way to be a bit more smarter with your spending. And then once you're actually back home, make sure you scan the receipt into the app and the AI will do the rest, and you will get credited that much balance. It's that easy.
Number 9 downloading.
On the Swagbucks platform, there are a range of different offer walls you can use to make some quick cash. These offer walls normally offer you the chance to download applications and even complete sign-ups for a high amount of Swagbucks. These offers can range from 1 SB to 5,000 depending on what the actual offer is and what is required. Some offer walls even offer you the chance to get paid to play some video games. There's so many games out there and there's a lot of money to be made. Definitely look into it just to see if there's any games you fancy. Also refer back to the Reddit, because normally there is guides created for things, and that's a good way just to make some quick money.
Number 10 Swago.
Throughout each month, Swagbucks offers a periodic promotion called Swago. This offers users a chance to get some free bonus SB for completing various tasks on the site, following a basic style bingo board. Tasks normally include stuff like surveys, visiting a certain site, referring users, and just stuff like that. And users can actually earn up to 1,000 Swagbucks every single month by completing these boards, and they normally appear once or twice a month at least. So it's definitely a good way to earn some money.
Number 11 Team Challenge.
Alongside Swago, Swagbucks also offers users the chance to partake in something called a Team Challenge twice a month. This pits different teams of Swagbucks users against each other on who can earn the most Swagbucks within a certain time frame. For each challenge, you are required to opt in for the Team Challenge, so keep your eyes out for a little banner popping up, you don't want to miss it. After you've earned at least 300 points, you'll actually get a rebate once the Team Challenge is over. This rebate can range from 25 SB to 300 SB.
Number 12 Birthday.
Everyone loves celebrating their big day, and Swagbucks loves celebrating it with you. So on your birthday, you'll actually get emailed a 55 SB rebate, which you have to apply in your emails. Who doesn't love free money? So don't miss out on your free 55 SB on your birthday.
Number 13 Swagbucks Dine-In.
So Swagbucks actually recently created a service on their platform where users can link their debit card and or checking account to Swagbucks, and then if an individual visits a certain site or restaurant in unique areas, you can earn some passive cash back. So this service actually referred to as Swagbucks Dine-In, and it is still in its infancy, but I could see it becoming really popular.
Number 14 Buying Gift Cards.
Swagbucks is also a gift card broker exchange. So they allow users the chance to use their Swagbucks partner's site, which is called My Gift Card Plus, through Swagbucks and earn some cash back on gift cards. So in the US, you can buy Walmart vouchers, Target vouchers, and you get 10 SB back for every dollar you spend on My Gift Card Plus. So if you buy a $100 gift card for Target in the US, you'll get $10 back in balance on your account. And you could even style it even further by getting a cashback card like the sponsor of this video, which is Uphold. It is a crypto broker exchange used by over 10 million users worldwide, which is huge. This is a platform I've actually been using for years, and I can't recommend it enough. Even without the sponsorship on this channel, I would literally be discussing them in this video. Literally the best thing about this company is they offer a 4% prepaid cashback debit card, which stacks with all cashback on Swagbucks. 0 yearly fee to keep this card as well, so you'll keep earning 4% cashback on this card as long as Uphold keeps supporting it. Literally, you can download the application for free right now, use my link in the description and get a card for free and start to earn this 4%. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for sponsoring this video. 4% cashback on top of that, so that's 14% discount on a gift card you was going to buy anyway.
Number 15, Swagit.
Swagbucks has recently released a TikTok clone called Swagit. It's been designed to allow users to actually upload vertical content to their platform, and it allows other users to donate their SB to these content creators to help them be a bit more sustainable. The best thing is you don't actually have to make content to make money through this part of the site. So you can donate 1 SB to 5 users per day, and you'll get between 10 SB and 500 SB back in bonuses. That's 2 SB per 1 SB donated at least. If you do want to support my channel, I've actually left my Swagit name right there, and you can donate 5 SB to me, and then obviously Swagbucks will credit you an additional 5 SB. It's free money, and you definitely help the channel grow, so thank you.
Number 16, Swagbucks Live.
Every weekday, Swagbucks actually hosts a live game show with real cash prizes from $500 to $10,000 called Swagbucks Live. It's available globally, so no matter where you are, you can take part in this, and it can be accessed by downloading the application in the App Store. However, due to time zones, this game show is available at really strange times if you're outside the US, so that's something to be aware of, but if you are going to be a night owl, it's definitely worth looking into. However, to maximize your money through the live application, I would suggest joining the Reddit Swagbucks Discord server. So this Discord server has been created by Swagbucks users, and there's a full section there called Swagbucks Live where you can actually be part of a syndicate to maximize the money you make as a unit using Swagbucks. Once I actually win, I normally get between 15 and 150 SB every time.
Teamwork makes the dream work, yeah?
Number 17, Swagbucks Live Daily Trivia.
If you can't make the Swagbucks Live, you can still complete the daily trivia on the Swagbucks Live application. Simply try and answer 10 trivia questions on the app, and if you get all 10, you get 10 SB. If not, it's a different variation depending on how many you get. So the better you do, the more you shall get. But the best thing is, this application works when Swagbucks Live doesn't, so you can do the trivia app every single day no matter what. Swagbucks Live is only available on weekdays.
Number 18, Level Up.
Swagbucks loves to reward their users on their platform, and they do this by offering a level up system. So they reward users by offering perks like rebates and even instant cash outs on certain vouchers such as Amazon. In a nutshell, the more you use a platform, the more you'll earn in a shorter time frame. So it's more beneficial. You're helping each other out here, which is what I really like.
Number 19, Mailbox.
On the Swagbucks platform, there's actually an inbuilt inbox system which offers you a quick glance at some really hot offers. These are only high-paying opportunities, which are special just for a certain amount of time, such as sign up for a very free trial or completing a certain survey. I always check these out daily because you'll never know what you're going to find.
I think I've struck gold.
In the past, I've actually found offers which are worth about 1.5k in SB in value, which is one of those things. Just give it a glance, you never know, and there might be something juicy there.
Number 20, Saving on Redemptions.
Always remember to save on redemptions when cashing out on Swagbucks. It's always worth trying to maximize the amount of money you spend on redemptions. Normally, for users, it's about 100 SB equals $1, but every so often, Swagbucks actually has discounts on withdrawing. So, for example, in the UK right now, you can get £10 worth of PayPal for 1,000 SB, which means you're getting the same value as $10, and this beats the exchange rates by a mile off. Work smarter, not harder, that's what I say.
Number 21, Cashback.
Swagbucks offers a range of wonderful retailers on their platform, which you can gain cashback on. In the UK, you can gain up to 20% cashback by using Swagbucks as the cashback provider of your choice. And they have retailers such as Walmart, Target, Asda. And cashback is so beneficial to everyone, whether you're a Swagbucks user or not. If you're going to do shopping online, you might as well try and get cashback for it and get some money for it.
Number 22, Travel Deals.
Do you have any holiday plans coming up? Well, if you do, Swagbucks has support for a range of different travel sites in the form of cashback as well. So Swagbucks actually offers users some of the highest cashback out there for the biggest travel brands in the world, such as hotels, Trivago, and many more. The standardized cashback rate for travel is around 5%, which might not seem very high, but if you're going to be purchasing something anyway, why not get 5% back? If you're a full family of 4, you could potentially get around 10,000 SB back, depending on the size of the holiday you're going on. So definitely look into that just to see what you can get. And it's always good comparing cashback rates on different sites as well, just to make sure you are getting the best value for your time.
Number 23, Daily Offers.
There are always daily offers available on Swagbucks. These can be daily activities you can do every single day. In the UK, we have something called the Daily Job Search, where you can search on a job site for 1 SB every single day. I know in the US they've got loads of other offers like this where you can gain some easy SB just to hit that daily goal every single day. It's free money, and if you're going to do 1 or 2 clicks, get a penny for it, why not?
Number 24, To-Do List.
On Swagbucks, there is a daily to-do list to make users aware of the ways you can actually earn on the site. Even if you're a newbie or a Swagbucks veteran, the daily to-do list can be some of the best ways to earn some extra SB. Whether you're completing 6 tasks or the full list, These are just standard tasks you can do every single day on the site, such as completing a poll, scanning a magic receipt, and doing even a daily offer. If you complete 6 tasks on the to-do list, you'll earn between 2 and 4 SB bonus, and if you complete the full list, you'll earn between 6 and 9 SB on top of your daily earnings, which is it's one of those things. If you want to get started, that's probably the best way to start on Swagbucks.
Number 25 Daily Goals.
So daily goals are a big part of Swagbucks. If you manage to earn a certain amount of SB in a day, you'll be rewarded on the 5th of the following month with some easy free SB. When you first start to earn on Swagbucks, you'll have to get 30 SB a day and you'll get 3 bonus for reaching that goal. But the more you use the platform, the higher this goal will be, but the chance for you to earn more will scale with that. These daily goals are normally bespoke to your account. Some you can easily get, and some you're going to have to grind out. Just make sure you do claim it on the 5th of the next month to get that bonus SB.
Number 26 Hideout TV.
On Swagbucks, there's an offer wall called Ascend Media. Ascend Media allows a user to get paid to watch videos on a platform called Hideout TV on their phone, TV, or PC. This can be set up by finding the offer wall and clicking on videos, and then simply sign up for the site, and then just leave it running constantly. You don't have to watch it, and you'll slowly start to accumulate Hideout points, which can then be transferred back to Swagbucks. Using Hideout TV, you can probably get yourself 20 SB passively every single day. There is better alternatives out there for Hideout TV, but if you don't want to look into that, Swagbucks is a good way just to get some free passive income.
I can't be bothered with you.
PS, always make sure you actually claim your free daily Hideout points. It's another way just to get some free daily check-ins and free money.
Number 27 Referring Friends.
Referring your friends to Swagbucks is a really good way to make some high earning money on Swagbucks. So if you refer your friend, then you'll get 10% of their earnings forever. So when I first signed up for the platform, I referred all my friends and family to the platform, and now I'm earning around 100 SB per day and around 10 SB per friend I've referred. Anyways, that's the full 25 plus ways to earn big on Swagbucks, and that's the secret ways to do it, you know. When I first signed up for Swagbucks, I wish these types of videos existed, and that's why I'm making them aware for other people. It gives you a really good running start on the platform. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Whenever there is a new way to earn on Swagbucks, I'll let you know. On screen right now are 2 videos, one showing my tips, tricks and hacks when it comes to the get paid to site free cash, as well as a review showing the highest paying ad viewing site and platform known as We Are 8. Take care and have a great day.